we start installing the trim. Today, at the House Edition. Welcome back to the House Edition. So this morning, I'm going to get started with the trim. I think I'm going to start back in the closet area. I'm going to start doing the crown, and I thought about doing the door first, but I think I'm just going to shift to try to knock out most of the crown, so that'll take a lot of the time. So let's get started. This blade's a little rough, so I'm going to try to sand this up a little just to get rid of some of the fur. $28 and a 16. I forgot the ceiling bows a lot. Now, I'm going to cut a little piece here just to make sure that planes out. That needed to go down a little. That looks very good. Okay. I'm going to coat this a little more. The coat's not quite deep enough. That looks good. There we go. Stay. Stuff always looks so bad until it's caulked. It needs to go way down. If I can punch it through. Pieces very split. I can feel that. I can feel it. Don't worry. So I got the crown done just in this section here. I think I'm gonna do the windowsill next, and then I just have to put a little bit of skirting under there. I'm gonna use a small piece of Colonial casing, and then I'll just run the base in this area. At least then I know this section is complete. So I looked at their old sills on their old windows, and they had 1.5 inch overhang on the sides here. So I'm just going to try to mimic that with this sill. Too big on the left. So I'm going to trim that, and then I'll go ahead and route it. Okay, here we go. Take 2. Now I want to put a piece of casing under here to skirt this. Fits pretty tight. I'm going to glue this, and then I'll just slip that in there. Once that glues up, it'll be solid as a rock. I'll let that tack up, and I think I can sand it out. It's a little heavy, you can see the nub there, but I think I can sand it away. Looks good. Okay, this is the last piece of crown for the second batch here, and my phone blew over and it stopped recording. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this last piece. I hate to have a seam just for that, you know? You go with that?
I'm right in the corner.
just grab that, yeah. I can always come to you a little.
Yeah.
Like that. Oh, that's beautiful.
Right? That's what I thought.
We only got one piece, so I'm gonna have to cut this a million times to get it right. Oh my god, are you kidding? Oh. That's really close. I don't know how, but I cut it long and
And it worked
almost
out.
fit perfect. There we go, that's the one. Got 1 or 6 and 11. I wonder if it's hitting like the... No, it's just hitting that. Oh yeah, that's much better. One and 9 1/4. Okay. That's it for today.